In this video, we'll make clear the difference between letter spacing and line spacing, and we'll cover the great alignment tools in Design Space. As the name implies, letter spacing lets you adjust the spacing between letters or characters. If you live in the world of typography, you call this kerning. Use the down arrow to reduce space between characters. And yes, they will eventually touch if you keep going. Or, to add some breathing room, which we definitely need now, use the up arrow. Line spacing, on the other hand, refers to how text is spaced vertically, line to line. Let me just add a line return here so we can try it out. The down arrow reduces the space from the bottom of the text to the top, and the up arrow increases it. These text alignment tools are probably already very familiar to you. This text, for example, is currently left justified. We can change it to center or right, and the text will adjust accordingly. Play with these tools and you'll find the sweet spot that makes your text look both beautiful and readable.